Want to back up your files to Google Drive. Creating backups in Google Drive helps protect your important documents, photos, videos, and other files from accidental loss while making them accessible across all your devices. In this guide, I'll show you how to back up files to Google Drive step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. All of your backups will be stored securely in this account. Next, click the New button and select New Folder. Give the folder a descriptive name like PC Backup, Photos Backup, or Documents Backup. Keeping your backups in dedicated folders makes them much easier to manage. Open the Backup folder, click New, and choose File Upload or Folder Upload. Browse to the files or folders you want to back up, select them, and click Open. Google Drive will immediately begin uploading your backup. If you regularly back up files, consider installing Google Drive for desktop. It can automatically synchronize selected folders between your computer and Google Drive, reducing the need for manual uploads. Finally, open your backup folder in Google Drive and confirm that all of your files have uploaded successfully. If you're using Google Drive for desktop, check the sync status to make sure everything is up to date. And that's how to back up files to Google Drive. Keeping regular backups helps protect your important data and ensures it's available from your Windows PC, Mac, Android device, iPhone, and the web whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.